So you did this report. What did you find out about the various, avenues of making money in the cannabis business?
Well, basically, on the whole, it looks like that it could be an $11 billion industry by 2019. This is by investment and research firm ArcView Market Research, which actually focuses specifically on the cannabis industry. Now, in terms of the growth areas, Viridian Market Research said that cultivation is one aspect, as you might expect, which is a big money maker, which accounts for about maybe 20%, 25% or so of the whole entire industry. In addition to that, there's also biotechnology, which is looking at fertilizers and things to basically make cannabis grow faster, grow better, grow purer. In addition, there's also things like software and like security that comprise the whole entire sector.
And the stocks of companies that are linked in some way to cannabis and marijuana, they are available for trading, but they don't actually they're not directly related, are they?
Some are, some aren't. Again, with this Viridian Capital Research, last year they had this interesting index, the Cannabis Index, and it rose by about 38% in 2014. And looking ahead, it looks like that it might rise again later this year, but we're only halfway through, and based on the numbers for the estimates coming out over the next few years, it could be a rise of about $5 billion or so.
All right, well, let's talk about some of the obstacles that exist and some of the people solving some of these problems. Sure. I want to introduce Olivia Mannix. Olivia Mannix is the co-founder of Cannabrand, which describes itself as the first cannabis marketing agency. Olivia joins us from Denver. Olivia, I wonder if you could just describe what are some of the particular obstacles or challenges that you face in this burgeoning new industry?
Thank you so much for having me this evening. Some challenges we have are with the laws and regulations within advertising and marketing within the public sector.
So are they similar to the rules and restrictions that govern alcohol and tobacco advertising?
Yes, they are very similar, except for in the marijuana industry, we cannot have advertisements on television.
And are there some hurdles that you need to pass in order to, let's say, advertise in various publications? They have to find out how many people that are subscribed would be, let's say, over the age of 21.
Yes, so 70% of the audience must be over the age of 21 in order to advertise in that channel. Yes.
Now, Olivia, advertising actually isn't just about throwing a marijuana sign on anymore and having the leaf there, isn't it? It's evolving to something that's trying to include the mainstream. Tell us more about that.
Right. Yes, as Cannabrand is the first marijuana ad agency, we have lots of strategy and creation behind all of our campaigns, so pulling through just different segments and such.
Olivia, I wonder if you can describe who are your clients.
So one of my clients is Neos. They are a vape pen company. They are out of Denver, Colorado. And they, since we have trouble with advertising on a national scale with them, what we do is licensing. So we build the brands in other states. Right now they're looking at working in California, or have launched, Oregon, and Nevada. Currently, and Washington.
And Washington, D.C., or and Washington State, yes. I beg your pardon.
State.